Hi, Sam here from Lean Greens, and we're on day 2 of #upgrade your nutrition. And today we're going to do try a new spin on broccoli. So broccoli, probably one of my favourite veggies. Go between having normal kind of broccoli and the tender stem broccoli or the purple sprouting broccoli, depending on what you can find in the shops. Tell you who else loves broccoli. Ando loves broccoli. Sit. Good boy. Always hangs around cooking broccoli. So really simple. So just a reminder, what we're trying to do with this whole upgrade your nutrition thing this month is simple ways of adding more good into your daily nutrition, and conversely that should mean you want less bad, but we're just going to focus on the good. So don't worry about what you're not having, just worry about getting in some extra goodness. So 3 ways with broccoli that you may not have considered. Roasting your broccoli. So this was roasted in the oven with a little bit of coconut oil and some of my favourite roast garlic and pepper. Hero's woofing. Hero doesn't know there's broccoli happening inside. So yeah, a little bit of olive oil or coconut oil, a little grind of any spices you want, stick it in the oven about 10-15 minutes. And you just get this nice, different texture because you get kind of the char grilled broccoli effect.
He really is barking today a lot, isn't he?
He is barking a lot. Hero, broccoli! Might work, we'll see. So, that's number 1. Number 2, I'm saving my favourite till last. Normal boiled broccoli.
Very exciting stuff.
No. Can be vastly improved with a little squidge of fresh lemon juice. So, if normal broccoli bores you to tears, which to be fair, is pretty boring if you just have it boiled or steamed on its own, try adding a squeeze of lemon juice.
Can you guess what we're having for dinner tonight?
Broccoli 3 ways. Sounds like something you get in a Chinese takeaway, doesn't it?
Or on a pizza.
You can have broccoli on pizza if you go to a posh pizza place. Right, but this is my absolute favourite. It's not very Tim friendly because of the nuts. Tender stemmed broccoli stir fried with a little soy sauce and walnuts. And you just get that added texture. And in fact, you could add walnuts in with your roasted broccoli or pine nuts or something to give it just that little bit extra oomph. So that's our challenge for today. We challenge you to tell us how you cook your broccoli, and if you do it some different kind of way, and if you give broccoli to your woofing dogs. So
It's typical. It's always going to be a way, isn't it?
This is the problem with law. I've never worked with children or animals. So anyway, let us know how you get on, if you're joining us, if you'd like to tell us what you do with your broccoli. Do you want broccoli?
Here we go.
Wait. Good boy. There he goes. He's happy now. So #upgrade your nutrition, share your photos below, and let us know if you still need a copy of this and we'll send one to you. Thank you.